This video will show you how to replace the brake lamp switch on a Chrysler Town Country. This will be accessed underneath the driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way safely underneath the dash. So now as we make our way underneath the driver's side dash, we can see where our steering shaft is. Just to the driver's side of the steering shaft is our brake lamp switch. To dislodge this brake lamp switch, take hold of the entire thing, give it a gentle twist counterclockwise, that'll unlock it and you can pull it away from its mounting bracket. Now we're going to disconnect our electrical connector. You can see it in gray. So now as far as disconnecting this gray connector, we actually have to focus on the two green locking tabs inside of this area. We're carefully pressing in. I like to use a small angled pick. You can use a small screwdriver. Press in, press up. Now once you have both of those unlocked, I'm going to make my way down along this area. We can see some more gray. Just go ahead and make your way in between that area and lift that gray area up. That's part of the connector. Of course, a quick inspection. We want to make sure there's no corrosion. And there it is, friend. Now before we install our brand new part, let's just pay attention to the mounting area. We have this black plastic mounting bracket. Just make sure there's no damage. We do need to make sure that brake lamp switch is properly secured during the installation. This does look good, so let's continue on the installation. We'll start with the electrical connector. Now it's time to install the brand new brake lamp switch. Let's start with the electrical connector. Now as far as the electrical connector, you remember we do have those two green locking tabs. As we align this, we need to make sure everything's properly seated. Line it up, press it in. We'll give it a gentle squeeze and a light tug, confirming it's properly secured. Let's continue on with the installation. Now if you were to look down next to where the switch is here, you can see that we do have a square adapter. The bracket is also square. Let's go ahead and line this up, and then we're going to press it in and twist it clockwise until it completely bottoms out. So we're coming in at an angle, pressing it in. There we are. I heard an audible click. I can feel that I am bottomed out. Now I'm just rotating it clockwise till I hear a second audible click. Now a quick wiggle to confirm it is secured. We do not want this falling out while we're driving down the road. Let's make sure we test the functionality. We'll press on the brake pedal, confirm the brake lights turn on. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.